Now, for the size that's on this car, these are 235/60s on an R18. So the specifications on the screen now are for that size tyre. It does vary depending on the size. So with these tyres, they are a load index of 107 XL with a speed rating of V, and that gives you a maximum speed of 240 kilometers an hour, which is approximately 149 miles per hour. The maximum pressure in PSI is 49, and the maximum load is 975 kilos per tyre. And then we've also got the other specifications there, which is the quality of the tyre and how it tests and how it performs, which gives us a noise rating of 72 decibels and a rolling resistance rating of B. Now the rolling resistance rating and the wet grip rating are rated from A to G, and this rates as B for both, which is you know, one down from the top, which is a very good indicator of a premium tyre. Now, if you found this video interesting or helpful, please do stay tuned on the channel for the other videos yet to come on receiving the tyres, putting them on the car, and also doing a road test. And in the meantime, if you have any comments, leave them down below. Please remember to give me the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.